The air is crisp, the days grow shorter, and the first hints of frost creep across the garden. For foragers and herbalists, this is a signal. It's time to gather what the earth still offers before winter locks it away. Tonight, we're heading into the fields, hedgerows and gardens to collect and preserve herbs before the frost. Together, we'll explore how to harvest wisely, store them properly, and keep nature's medicine cabinet stocked through the cold months ahead. Welcome back to Natural Earth Living. Why harvest before frost? Frost changes plants. Some herbs lose potency, others turn bitter, and many simply wilt beyond use. Gathering now ensures you capture their full strength, whether it's the soothing oils of mint or the immune-boosting berries of elder. Herbs to focus on before frost. 1. Mint and lemon balm. These fragrant allies lose flavor after frost. Harvest stems by cutting above a leaf node, so the plant can regrow in spring. Preserving tip. Dry leaves in small bundles or use a dehydrator. Store in glass jars away from sunlight. 2. Yarrow. Once the frost hits, its delicate leaves and flowers blacken. Collect now for teas and salves. Preserving tip. Hang small bunches upside down in a warm, airy spot until crisp. 3. Plantain. The weed, not the fruit. Its broad leaves are still rich in healing compounds this time of year. After frost they turn mushy. Preserving tip. Dry leaves for teas or infuse fresh ones in oil for a soothing skin remedy. 4. Elderberries. If you're lucky enough to find ripe clusters still hanging, pick them before frost softens and spoils the fruit. Preserving tip. Freeze the berries or cook into syrups for winter immune support. 5. Sage, thyme and rosemary. Cold hardy but vulnerable to sudden freezes. Harvest extra sprigs now for drying or freezing. Preserving tip. Tie into bundles for drying or chop and freeze in ice cube trays with olive oil. Practical ways to store your finds. Air drying. Bundle stems and hang in a dark, dry room. Dehydrator. Perfect for thicker herbs or damp climates. Tip. Always wait until herbs are crisp before storing. Any moisture invites mold. Chop herbs and freeze in small bags or make herb cubes in ice trays with water or oil. Best for herbs that lose flavor when dried, like basil or chives. Oils. Fill a jar with dried herbs and cover with olive oil for skin remedies or cooking. Vinegars. Create herbal vinegars for dressings and tonics. Alcohol tinctures. Preserve medicinal herbs in vodka or brandy for long-term use. Berries like elder or rosehips make immune-boosting syrups. Herbs like thyme or chamomile can be infused into honey, perfect for soothing winter coughs. Harvest responsibly. Take only what you'll use, leaving plenty for wildlife and regrowth. Know your plants. Some lookalikes can be toxic. For example, elderberries are safe, but pokeweed berries are poisonous. Respect the land. Always ask permission on private property and forage sustainably. As the frost approaches, the earth reminds us to gather, preserve and prepare. Each jar of dried mint, each bottle of elderberry syrup, becomes a little piece of summer sunlight saved for the dark months ahead. So, grab your basket and shears, wander the fields one last time before the frost, and carry those wild gifts into winter with you. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always be certain of plant identification before harvesting, and consult a qualified herbalist or professional before using herbs medicinally. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fields and gardens before winter's frost sets in. With just a little preparation, the herbs you gather today can carry you through the long, cold nights ahead, reminding you that nature's medicine is always close at hand. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Natural Earth Living, And ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the wisdom of plants and the rhythms of the seasons. And I'd love to hear from you. What herbs are you gathering and storing this season? Share your tips and traditions in the comments below. Together, we can keep this ancient knowledge alive and thriving. Until next time, may your shelves be full, your heart be light, and may the frost find you prepared.